Okay, so we've got another video for you today. I'm going to do a Thai curry paste. So essentially, all I need to do is just sort of blend these things together. I'm going to do it with some chicken in a bit, with some coconut milk and stock. But for the paste, anyway, so we've got some coriander, we've got a bit of lemongrass here, some lime. I'm going to use the zest and the juice from that. Got a chilli, got some pepper, garlic, ginger, soy, and fish sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to blend it all together in this. So I'm just going to just essentially just shove it all in to this. So quantity wise, it's like a big handful of coriander. Fish sauce, I'm going to go about a tablespoon for this. Same again with the soy, about a tablespoon. Okay, and then ginger and garlic, about a teaspoon each. So it's probably like, like a sort of inch of ginger and maybe 2 or 3 garlic. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more garlic. I quite like garlic. That's that. Some pepper. Just grind some pepper in there. The lemongrass, I'll just slice that up quick. It's quite sort of fibrous, the lemongrass, so it's good to get it blended nicely in there. But I really like it. I'm going to use 2 for this. You could use 1, but I really like that flavour. It gives it like a real fresh flavour, which is ideal. Chilli, just a quick slice. And then again, if you want it hotter, put some more chilli in. If you want it milder, you don't need the chilli if you don't want it. If you don't like spice at all, just leave it out. And some lemon zest, so I'll just grate it onto this this board, so I won't get it in the jug. So there you go. So there's zest of that. Just scrape that up and in, and then the juice as well. Okay. I'm going to put a couple of spoons of oil in as well, just to help it blend. There's a bit of liquid in there with the lemon juice, the soy and the oyster, but so just give it a big glug of that. A couple of tablespoons, I think, would be good for that. Okay, and then in the blender, I'm just going to give this a whiz now. And there we go. So just a quick blend. Nice and easy that. You can see there, I'll get let's show you the spoon of it. So we've got just a beautiful curry paste there. That's going to be delicious. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some chicken. I'm going to fry the chicken in this paste, add some coconut milk and a bit of stock. You can add some veggies in there. I think I've got some broccoli on the go. I'll perhaps put that in. Whatever you want, and that's it. So it's super easy. This is going to keep in your fridge for a few days, a week or so, or use it straight away. I'm going to use all of that. So yeah, I'll show you how to cook it, the chicken in a sec. Okay, so here we go. I've got my paste here, and I've put the chicken thighs through it. I've left them in there for an hour or so. I just sort of I put them in there when I made it. I just stuck it in the fridge, but you don't have to do that. It's just I thought it'd be nice to just get them sort of soaked in that for a while. So got a pan on the go here. I'm just going to get all this in. Initially, I'm just going to sort of cook it. I don't want to cook it too fast at the moment. I just want it to sort of just come up to temperature, and I don't want it sort of like all browned up and that. So I just want to sort of cook it a bit slowly. Don't want to burn the paste. So yeah, just give it a few minutes. I'll stir it a few times. So the smell of that now is really sort of coming to life. Everything in there starting to cook. I'm going to up the heat a little bit. And essentially all I want to do is cook this chicken through in that paste. I've got a tin of coconut milk that's going to go in one of these chicken stock So it might need a little bit of water just to sort of let it down, but I'll say about that when I get there. But the paste is quite thick, so it perhaps won't. And that's it. I'm going to serve it with some lovely rice. I've got some broccoli to go in as well. I'll put that in at the same time as the coconut milk. But essentially, this is a really, really simple dish. and it's absolutely delicious. Like the flavour of that paste, I just tasted it before I put the chicken in. It's like, it's just so intense. It's real fresh, and it's just beautiful. This is something that I would definitely recommend having a go at. Okay, you see now it's starting to cook out. The oil's coming out the paste. It's this is going to be delicious. Like, I'm really excited about this. As it's sort of starting to come to heat now, it's starting to cook out a bit. I'm going to put the broccoli in there now, so it sort of gets a good coating of the paste as well. So I've just sort of chopped it, you know, a bit fine, you know, like smallish florets, but leave the stalk on, just get it all cooked through. It's going to be in there 20 minutes or so, so it's going to cook nicely. You know, I just want to get it all coated through. There we go, look, it's all mixed through lovely. Now I'm going to get in the coconut milk here. Get all of that in. And also the stock cube. So I'm just going to get that in as well. Just like I said before, this these stock cubes, or these whatever they are, the little pouches, I just use them as a seasoning. I find them, you know, they just add that sort of depth to the flavour. You know, they work quite well, so it's you know, why not? So you can see there, it's beautifully thick. That's going to cook up to the boil. I'm just going to allow that to simmer for probably 20 minutes or so. The chicken's not going to overcook. I've got chicken thighs in there; they're going to be alright. And you know, I want all of those flavours to get involved. So I'm going to put a lid on it. Give it about 20 minutes and then we should be there. Okay, so you can see now it's been cooking for probably 15-18 minutes, something like that. It's all cooked through now, it's beautiful. I'm just going to give this a taste. It's quite saucy, but that's the idea of this curry. It's quite nice to have it like that. Oh, it's delicious. Honestly, it's delicious. The freshness of the lemongrass and the sauces, it's just right. Like I say, it's nice to have this a bit saucy. That's how it's supposed to be. I've got some rice on the cook, so that rice is going to absorb all of the extra sauce in this, and it's going to be a great meal. So yeah, thank you for watching. Give this a go. It's really, really good. Any questions, comments, let me know, and I'll see you next time.